Okay, students, we are given the next question. We are expected to integrate integral 0 to pi over 2 dx over 1 positive tan cubed x. We are given these choices. So you can pause the video, observe the question, work it out, and then we can learn how to get the right solution. So I hope you all have got the solution. So let me start off by taking I to be as integral 0 to pi over 2 dx over 1 positive tan cubed x. But we know that tan x is sin x over cos x. So this is going to be I is equal to integral 0 to pi over 2 dx over 1 positive sin cubed x over cos cubed x. This can be rewritten as 0 to pi over 2 dx over cos cubed x positive sin cubed x divided by cos cubed x, which is going to be 0 to pi over 2 cos cubed x dx over cos cubed x positive sin cubed x. This is my I. Now we know a property, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of 0 positive a negative x times dx. So by this property, I can rewrite this as integral 0 to pi over 2 cos cubed of, now pi over 2 negative x times dx divided by cos cubed of pi over 2 negative x positive sin cubed of pi over 2 negative x. This is what we have got. This could be rewritten as 0 to pi over 2 sin cubed x dx divided by sin cubed x positive cos cubed x. Now I take this as 2 and I take this as 1, adding 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2, we get 2 times I is equal to integral 0 to pi over 2 cos cubed x positive sin cubed x times dx divided by sin cubed x positive cos cubed x. So this gets cancelled, giving me 0 to pi over 2 of dx. I integrate this, I get x 0 to pi over 2. I substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. So it's going to be pi over 2. On the left I have 2i, so therefore I is equal to pi over 2. You bring this 2 down, so it's going to be 1 over 2. So I now have I to be as pi over 4. So this is the final solution. So go back and check which of these choices fit our requirement. Is it A? No. Is it B? No. Is it C? No. Is it D? Yes. So that's the right solution. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.